Hi, welcome to another Presello open house tour. My name is Julia and today I'll be showing you around this gentle and relaxing new townhouse in Teachers Village, Quezon City. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. And of course, we're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. Okay, on with the tour. So on the ground floor, okay, well, basically this is a townhouse compound, right? And in one unit, you will see on the ground floor a 2-car port, right? And of course, your main entrance. So let's explore the ground floor. Right, so you will see your main stairway and a door that leads to the maid's quarters/utility area. So pwede ka maglagay dito ng mga appliances for her to use and for the household. And you also have an ensuite toilet and bath. Yeah. Okay. So halatang bago siya, no? Everything is so white and pristine. You also have the breaker over here, so easy access. Dali maintain. And over to the second floor. Okay, so pag akit mo sa second floor, it's just one huge space for your living area. So your living, your dining, and your kitchen. Bahala ka na kung gusto mo dun yung living or gusto mo dito or vice versa. And then you have your powder room over here. Barn door style pa yung pinto. There we go. And of course, you have your balcony, complete with an emergency exit. And may drop-down ladder siya. And of course your kitchen. So the whole house or the floor area of the house is 85 square meters. And how many lot area? How much is the lot area?
Lot area
62 square meters in lot area. So 185 in floor area and 62 in lot area. So dito pa lang, on the second floor, you can see that in yung general area for each floor. Diba? Maluwag. It's very spacious, especially since the design is open-spaced. So apart from having all of these white walls, you also have these big windows, kaya talagang ang tiwanag ng bahay. Alright, so on the third floor, we have the private spaces. So behind door number 1, here we go. So bedroom number 1. Tapos meron din siyang airwell dito. So all the rooms have windows connected to this airwell and it goes up and syempre down. And here we go. Oh, this is the common toilet and bath. So pretty spacious, good layout. Fun fact, this is one of my favorite compact bathroom layouts. Yung magkatabi yung shower, sink, and toilet in one line. Kasi for me, it's very efficient. Ganyan din yung CR ko kasi. Just saying. Alright, and here we have the master bedroom. So you got lots of space, lots of light, thanks to this tawag dito, sliding door. Siyempre may balcony din with access to the emergency ladder. And over here, you have the ensuite, toilet, and bath. And of course, we're not done sa floor na to. Yan. Here we go. Sa other side naman nung wall, we have bedroom number 3. Yan. So again, ample space, big window. Okay, so let's recap. So you've got 185 square meters in floor area, 62 square meters in lot area, packaged so nicely in this modern designed house. Of course, you've got a gated compound, so you've got 24-hour security, a 2-car port, 3 stories, 3 stories, 3 bedrooms, 1, 2, 3 toilet and baths, a separate maid's quarters/utility area, and of course we have to remember it's in Teachers Village. That means it's super convenient, right? you are near, well, basically malapit ka sa UP, all of it. So you have UP Delimanda University, UP Techno Hub, UP TC, Town Center, and you're also close to schools like Claret, Ateneo, Miriam. It's very, very convenient. So if you want to see this place for yourself, do give us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.